On to line 3, ab.h of an A. Okay, so remember AB is a static type B, so we're going to go inside the B class. Look inside for the H method, which exists. It takes in an A instance, and because the dynamic type of AB is also B, we're still going to stay with this method that the compiler screenshotted. Okay, so we're going to print out B, H of A, and then x.x and x.y. So x is actually an A instance, right? It's the static type is A. And so if we look at what we're passing in an A, right? Which has a static type A, so that works. So here we're going to be printing out the x and y of the A class, the static type A class, which is going to be 1 and 2. So it's not always the case that we're going to copy the variable values from the class that we're already in. It's in this case, it's because the static type of the x variable is A, and so since we're accessing the variables of the x of the A class, we need to take it from the first two lines here. Okay, and then H of NA, remember this is a method call inside the C class, and so we are going to go inside and see if there's an H method inside C. There isn't. That means that we need to look inside its parent class, which is B, and it does have an H here. Takes in the same argument, NA, and then does the same thing except prints a different thing. So we can just copy, actually it prints the same thing too. We just did this method, and so it's going to be that. Okay. All right. So the only thing different in line 3 than the previous two lines is that you now had to access the variables using an object whose static type is different from the class that you're in. But in that case, all you really have to do is just go inside the static class, the static type class, and then just copy the variable values from there. That is it for line 3.